Hey guys, I wanted to show you our City B 1970s. So this is the day version here, and you can see the main thing that tells us this is 70s is the traffic. So we have these old buses, these VW buses, we have some Beetles in there, some older cars here, and if I go into our stage manager here, you can see what it would look like at a stage. You can see, of course, all of our plates are full 360. They wrap all the way around. If you have any ceiling, any buildings would just wrap all the way in there. If I go into our sunset, you can see the sunset version here, what that might look like at a stage, and what it looks like at the screen here. And I'm really happy with the way this plate turned out. I think we also color graded it with a little bit of a 1970s feel and look. And of course we also have our Overcast, which is great for if you have an overcast day, of course, or rainy, anything like that. So let me know what you guys think.